A very good morning to you all children. I hope all are safe and fine at home. Children, after a long time you will be seeing me. As there was a network issue, I could not post it. So last week's video and this week's video, I have again remade it and I have combined all 4 worksheets together. Okay, worksheet number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay children, the same grammar topic we are continuing: capitalization, punctuation and sentence structure. You know what is capitalization. Capitalization is, there are 2 rules to follow that. Whenever a sentence is starting, always that will begin with a capital letter and you will end that letter with a full stop, or you will end that sentence with a full stop, and in between if there is any name of a person, place, animal or thing, you are going to start that name in a capital letter. Okay, then punctuation. We use this punctuation while writing, so that while speaking we should give equivalent pause over there. Okay, and then sentence structure. Sentence structure means all the sentence formation should be correct. Okay, that sentence should make some kind of sense. मतलब वो sentence जो है थोड़ा meaningful होना चाहिए, तो फिर वो sentence structure जो है correct होगा. तो इन सारी चीजों पे बेस्ड हम ये 4 वर्कशीट्स सॉल्व करेंगे. Okay children, let us solve. So children, this is your grammar book, isn't it? So this is your worksheet number 2, okay? Punctuated properly. That means what you are going to do is, you are going to punctuate it properly, okay? You are going to add wherever the correct punctuation marks are necessary. Okay, so let us start. I'll just read out the question. Circle the correct punctuation mark that should come at the end of the sentence. Now what are we going to do is, now these are the 10 sentences which they have given you, and they have given in 3 columns, okay, all 3 punctuation marks. What are we going to do? We are going to circle the correct punctuation mark. For example, okay, today is a sunny day. Okay, this is sentence number 1. Now I find that this sentence is complete sentence, so I am going to circle the full stop. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पर 10 सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं और उन सब के सामने 3 कॉलम्स में 3 पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स दिए गए हैं जो हमने पढ़े हैं: फुल स्टॉप, क्वेश्चन मार्क, एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. ओके, तो हम क्या करेंगे, सेंटेंस पढ़ेंगे और फिर हम उस हिसाब से उसके पंक्चुएशंस हम ऐड करते जाएंगे या हम सर्कल करते जाएंगे. ठीक है, जैसे कि मैंने फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में किया है, टुडे इज ए सनी डे, full stop. This is a complete sentence, so I am going to circle a full stop. Okay, so the next one, is your mother at home? So you're there asking something, so can you tell me what will come here? Is your mother at home? Yes, 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 come on, come on. Yes, a question mark. Whenever you are asking something, you are going to add a question mark. Okay, now this was the question number 1. Let us come to the question number 2. Now they have given here sentences and you are going to rewrite them by adding correct punctuation mark. Okay, now आपको क्या करना है, उन्होंने यहाँ पर आपको सर्कल करने थे, यहाँ पर आपको इन सेंटेंसेस में करेक्ट पंक्चुएशन ऐड करके फिर से सेंटेंस को जो है लिखना है. So for example, first one, Arjun and Shreya walk to school every day. I feel this is a complete sentence, so I am going to write capital A, Arjun and Shreya walk to school. If you don't have place, you can write it down, children. Every day. So this is a complete sentence. I have added here a full stop. So okay, so similarly you are going to do the second sentence and you are going to do the third sentence. Okay children, this is quite easy one. So children, now let's come to the worksheet number 3, capitalization challenge. Okay, as I told you, anything that will begin of a fresh or a new sentence will always start with a capital letter. Or if there is a name of a person, place, animal or thing, will always start with a capital. Now here the first word is January and it is name of a month. Isn't it? It is a name. So what will come here? How will you write J here? Yes, come on, tell me. How will you write J here? Yes, you will write J, capital J, A, N, U, A, R, Y, January. Isn't it? Now let us see the next one. Okay? Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Can you tell me what will come here? Yes, capital B because it is a thing and we eat it. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Now, here there is a subject. It is name of a subject. Isn't it, children? Maths. Even you must be loving maths very much, isn't it? Yes. M-A-T-H-S. Maths. So what will come here? Yes, capital M. M-A-T-H-S. Maths. Okay children, similarly we are going to complete this worksheet. Okay, this whole worksheet. There are only few more words remaining. Let us move on the further worksheet. Now, worksheet number 4 children. This is a quite tough, but I know my children, they are very good children. They'll understand it and they'll complete it very soon. Okay. Now, what are we going to do in worksheet number 4 is spot the errors. Errors means mistakes. Okay, what we are going to do is, there are how many sentences they have given here? Okay, there are 8 sentences that they have given us here. Okay, and we are going to spot, that means remove, where are the errors over here. Okay, and then we are going to rewrite, मतलब हम लोग फिर से ये sentence को यहाँ नीचे लिखेंगे correct करके. Okay, now for example, read the sentences, rewrite the correct words in capitals. Okay, so here what happened, that they have given wrong punctuation marks, wrong capitalizations. Okay, and what we are going to do is, we are going to correct everything and write it. For example, as I told you, every sentence begins with a capital letter. So you are going to write here, the error is here, isn't it? The Indian Ocean is very deep. And as usual, they have completed by giving a full stop. Okay. Now, see the second one. T-H-I-S. This again here there was an error. This year spring is a season, isn't it? Spring arrived early in April. Okay, now did you understand children how to do it? Okay, because here April, it is the name of a month, I have written A capital here. Okay, spring, it is the name of a season, I have written S over here, S capital over here. These are the errors. Okay, so you are going to avoid all the errors and you are going to rewrite the sentences again. Okay children. Now coming to the last one, worksheet number 5, write. That means whatever you are going to write, you are going to correct it and write it down. Okay, in a right way, not in a wrong way, in a right way. Then for example, capitalize मतलब आपको उन चीज़ों को कैपिटलाइज करना है जहाँ पर आपको कैपिटल लेटर ऐड करना है, आपको करेक्ट पंक्चुएशन भी ऐड करना है और सेंटेंस का करेक्ट ऑर्डर मतलब सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर भी इसमें आपको ठीक से लिखना है. Okay, so for example here, green frogs question mark are. क्या ये सेंटेंस आपको सही लगता है? मुझे तो नहीं लगता और आपको भी नहीं लग रहा है ना? तो this is a wrong sentence. So let us add correct one. Are frogs green question mark? Isn't it? Are frogs green? Yes, of course they are green. Isn't it? We know that. Now you can see the next one. Okay, did your homework do you? Question mark. Okay, this sentence formation also is wrong. So did you do your homework? Question mark. Isn't it? Is it nice? Yes. So this you are going to correct the sentence formations. You are going to add punctuations. Okay, correct punctuations here wherever, because already in the sentences they have given, you are going to place it in the correct order. Okay, that's it. And before, whenever you start a new sentence or a question, whatever is it, you are going to add a capital letter. Okay, the question itself is capitalize, okay, punctuate, okay, and write the sentence in the correct order. Children, we have already seen all the 4 worksheets, so I want you to complete it down. If any doubt, we will solve it in interactive session. Soon in the evening, I will also share you with the full answer PDF on the WhatsApp group as well. So children, thank you for listening to me. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you children. Bye bye. Take care.